Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a calm and relaxing walk around Larnaca Marina, right by the sea in the heart of the city. We are starting here beside the water, where everything immediately feels slower and more peaceful. The marina has a very relaxed atmosphere, making it ideal for an easy walk with no rush at all. You can already hear the gentle movement of the sea, setting the tone for this stroll. As we begin walking, take a moment to look across the marina. You'll notice a mix of small fishing boats and private yachts, all resting quietly on the water. On days like this, when the sea is calm, the reflections are beautiful, with the boats, sky, and nearby buildings mirrored on the surface. This area is popular with locals who enjoy quiet walks by the sea. Many people come here to clear their minds, enjoy the fresh coastal air, or simply pause and watch the boats come and go. Even though we are very close to the city centre, the marina feels open and calm. The walking paths here are wide and easy, making it a comfortable place to stroll at any pace. You can enjoy uninterrupted sea views almost the entire way, which adds to the peaceful feeling of the area. Just next door to the marina is Finicud's Promenade, one of the most lively and well-known parts of Larnaca. It's only a short walk away, but the atmosphere here is very different. While Finicud's is energetic and busy, the marina offers a quieter, more relaxed experience. As we continue walking along the water, listen to the sounds around you. Gentle waves hitting the edge, the soft creaking of boats, and footsteps along the path all blend together into a very soothing background. Looking back toward the city, you can see how the buildings sit quietly behind the marina. It's a nice balance between urban life and the sea, where neither one feels overwhelming. This area is especially enjoyable in the early morning or later in the afternoon, when the light is softer and the temperature is more comfortable. Many people choose these times for a peaceful walk, a moment of reflection, or simply to enjoy the view. Larnaca Marina may not be large, but it has a special charm. It offers a calm escape right beside the city, without the crowds found nearby. We'll continue our walk here, enjoying the open views, relaxed pace, and tranquil atmosphere of the marina. As we slow down near the end of the marina, this is a good place to pause and really take in the surroundings. The open sea ahead, the boats resting quietly behind us, and the steady rhythm of the water all create a very calming atmosphere. It's easy to forget how close we are to the busy parts of the city. This is one of those places where time feels slower, and a simple walk becomes a moment to relax and reset before heading back. Thanks for joining me on this walk around Larnaca Marina. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and let me know where you'd like the next walk to be.